It's Mr. Dartmouth and Franny.
We just woke up from Winter Carnival.
Oh, and my Lady Gaga lipstick had finally come. I almost did too when I saw the color.
It's Winter Carnival time at Dartmouth College. In modern times, during Carnival Week, the campus is decorated with elaborate sculptures in snow. From scale models like this, the students design and build the ingenious works of winter art entirely by themselves. Since it gets about 20 below around here, the fellows build these special added attractions for their dates. Over there, they're unloading.
Thankfully, now we don't even gotta ship bitches in.
We keep them stocked in the basement.
Sweet!
It couldn't be that... Are you Freddie and Eddie? Are you our dates? They call them blind dates, but from here on, we shall see. So back to the campus and the carnival.
Hi, I'm Freddie. Are you my date? What's your name?
Name?
As a welcome to the campus, the well-known Dartmouth Glee Club pays a call to the visitors' dormitory to serenade feminine guests. It's a thrill no girl can ever forget.
There is no music for singing.
Thrilling!
Everywhere you look, you're reminded, you're a tool. You're a tool. You're a tool.
Only at Dartmouth would you stand in line for 3 hours to be dumped into a giant hole cut out of a frozen pond.
Or to just tape your friends doing it.
Put your pants up. Oh my god. He shaved his ass.
Monsterflex is a revolution. It's going to change America.
The sun god also made an appearance performing on the ice.
Yeah, but I think he was just waiting for Franny to get down to her swim trunks. What? It's nothing he hasn't seen before. You didn't even do it. I mean the polar bear jump. This is Mistress Dartmouth.
And Franny.
I'll see you next week.
It's really bad. And Franny.
I knew this was really bad right off the bat. Tool, not good. That tool equals not good.